How to extend a visitor visa after 6 months in Canada. If you want to extend your stay in Canada on a visitor visa beyond 6 months, then you must apply for a visitor record. It gives you visitor status and permits you to stay longer. In other words, if you entered Canada and you didn't need a visa, but you want to stay longer, you must apply for an extension and pay a fee. I have provided all links required in the caption below this video if you want to extend your stay in Canada yourself. You should consider that your application for the extension must be done from inside Canada. Additionally, be mindful that you apply for the visitor record before your current stay of 6 months expire. In this video, I will explain how to apply for a visitor record to extend your stay in Canada. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this is your first time visiting this channel, I am Ahmed Reza Tawakkoli and this is Persia Global. In this video, I'm going to give you some details about what to do if you want to extend your stay or extend a visitor visa after 6 months in Canada. If you're looking for gaining more updated information related to immigration or study abroad, subscribe to our channel and share the video with whom you think it comes handy. When you want to extend your stay in Canada as a visitor, stay in Canada longer, you need to apply for a visitor record. You should consider that a visitor record is not a visa. A visitor record is a document that gives you status as a visitor in Canada and allows you to stay longer, includes a new expiry date that is the new date that you must leave Canada by. Who can apply for a visitor record? A visitor record is for people who want to extend their stay in Canada as a visitor or change the permit type from a study permit to a visitor record or from a work permit to a visitor record. It doesn't matter if you entered Canada using a visitor visa, electronic travel authorization, ETA, or another document. If you want to extend your stay in Canada as a visitor, you need a visitor record. When to apply for a visitor record? If you want to extend your stay as a visitor or change your status, for example, from international student or worker to visitor, you should apply at least 30 days before your current status expires. The expiry date for your status is on the stamp in your passport. This is not the date included on your visitor visa. If you don't have a stamp in your passport, the expiry date is 6 months from the day you entered Canada with your study permit or with your work permit or with your visitor record if you have already extended your stay. How to apply for a visitor record? The application fee for a visitor record is 100 Canadian dollars. You must have a debit or credit card to pay application fees. Moreover, you'll need a scanner or camera to submit the documents and fill out your forms. Applying online will help process your file faster. The first step is drafting the following forms. Before starting, refer to the IRCC instruction guide with a link below this video to help you with case-specific documents and instructions. And after you have read the instructions, fill out the following forms. The first form is application to change conditions, extend my stay or remain in Canada as a visitor or temporary resident permit holder, form IMM 5708. A statutory declaration of common law union, if applicable, is another form, IMM 636.51. Another form is use of representative, if applicable, form IMM 5476. The second step is use the online tool for documents. To apply, you must provide the following answers to get a personalized document checklist. For question 1, what would you like to do in Canada? Select visit. Then you'll be asked, what is your current territory or country of residence? And then select Canada. The third step is sign in or create an account. You can create your account or sign in the link in caption below this video. After creating your account, you must pay your application fees, submit your application, and then finally check your application status. What if your status expires? If you apply to extend your stay in Canada before the date you're supposed to leave, you can legally stay in Canada until a decision is made on your application. So don't worry about this. In this situation, you have maintained your status. Please note that a visitor record is not a visa. You'll need to leave Canada by the date your visitor record mentions. After exiting Canada, you can apply for a new visitor or other types of visas from your home country. Thank you for your support and likes and being a subscriber of Persia Global channel. We value your confidence in our content and videos and sincerely appreciate your time. Hope we met your expectations via the videos of the channel. Please comment and let us know about any specific content that could meet your immigration or relocation case. Make sure you don't miss out on other valuable videos related to immigration, study abroad, and visa acquisition. In this channel, I address many tips and points you can learn from our years of experience to ensure you are doing right or submitting the right documents. To get started by subscribing to our channel from today or contact us to use our services at persiaglobal.net/contact. Don't forget to hit notification bell and like button below this video. This is Ahmad Tawakkoli for Persia Global. May God bless you abundantly on your immigration and relocation journey. As always, pin all your hopes always on God. You will never be pinned down by man. I'll see you in the next videos.